Hey everybody, today we're going to be making maple glazed tilapia and roasted carrots. Oh, it's going to be so good. So hang in there because I'm going to show you how to make this dinner that's going to knock your socks off. So to get started, we're just going to need a couple of things. You're going to need 2 cups of tilapia. You're going to need some maple syrup. You're going to need carrots. You're going to need scallions, a lime. You're going to need ginger, a knife, and a skillet, and a baking sheet. So you want to pat your tilapia dry so that it gets all the water and the moisture off of it. And then what you want to do is you just want to take this maple syrup and you just want to pour it on top of the tilapia, like so. So what you want that to do is you want to sit and let it soak for a second while you're cutting up your other ingredients. So first you want to take your lime, you want to cut that into 4s. Now we can move our limes over to the side. So then you want to take your scallions, you want to chop those into thin slices. Now you want to take your carrots and you want to start cutting them in slices. Cut the tip off and then put that to the side. And then you want to cut in vertical slices like this. This is going to make it where your carrots are longer pieces and not just little tiny circles. So you're just going to keep cutting them like this so they're nice and long, kind of like long chips. You know, everybody loves a good chip. So what better than to have a carrot chip? Take the ginger and you want to cut off the outside shell of the ginger. Then what you want to start doing is you just want to start dicing this ginger. Man, this tilapia is going to have such a kick and sweetness all at the same time. All right, so then what you want to do is you want to take your scallions and you want to put them on top of the tilapia. Do the same with the ginger and put that on top of the tilapia as well. Now while the tilapia is marinating, what we're going to do is we're going to pull out a baking sheet and we are going to put the carrots on top of the baking sheet. What you do is you just want to take some olive oil and drizzle it across all of the carrot slices like so. Perfect. And then you just want to take the cinnamon. I forgot to mention this earlier, but you want to add cinnamon to the carrots because cinnamon is actually an igniter, so it helps to ignite your metabolism. So I always like to put cinnamon on as much as I can. My metabolism can use all the help that it can get. Alright, so now we can go ahead and take the carrots and put them in the oven. I've preheated it for 425 degrees, so we just want to let these cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now we want to take our tilapia mixture after it's marinated and put it on the stove and let it cook for about 4 to 6 minutes on each side of the tilapia until it's brown and cooked all the way through. So let's get cooking. So this maple glazed tilapia and roasted carrots just finished up, but let's see if it passes the true test, which is the taste test. Here we go. My gosh, it's so white on the inside. That maple, oh my gosh, it's so good. That maple glaze gives such a good coating on the tilapia and it makes it so moist, but yet it is so white and flaky on the inside. So on the outside it has this nice maple coating that gives it that brownish color, white and flaky on the inside. So perfect. And now let's see how the carrots taste. Just enough cinnamon to pack a punch. So now that I've showed you guys how to make this, if you guys want to make more delicious recipes with me and get healthy lifestyle tips, I'm posting new videos every Monday, so you can subscribe to my channel to get notified when the next one is posted. And then also, if you end up making this tilapia too, maple glazed style, I'd love to see it. So please tag me on Instagram so I can see your pictures, and let me know if you add or alter the recipe in any way so I can learn too. So tag me on Instagram at Southern Urban Life so that I can see all of your fun recipes, and that's gonna make me so happy. So until next time guys, I will see you guys next Monday. Bye y'all.